different strands within the movement. The non-cooperation Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement and responded to the call of Swaraj. Though the meaning of Swaraj was different to different people, each group had its own specific aspiration. How had the movement spread in the towns? The movement started with middle class participation in the cities. The students left government controlled schools and colleges. Second, headmasters and teachers also resigned. Lawyers gave up their legal practices. The council elections were boycotted in most provinces except Madras, where the Justice Party, the party of the non-Brahmins, they wanted to gain power by entering the council. They knew that only Brahmins enjoyed the power. People were ready to boycott everything associated with the British. They boycotted foreign goods. Liquor shops were also picketed and foreign clothes were burnt in huge bonfires. The effects of non-cooperation on the economic front. The import of foreign cloth halved between 1921 and 1922. Merchants and traders refused to trade in foreign goods or finance foreign trade. Production of Indian textile mills and handlooms went up क्योंकि सभी लोग अब स्वदेशी मेड गुड्स ही यूज़ करना चाहते थे, इसलिए इंडियन टेक्सटाइल मिल्स और हैंडलूम्स बहुत डेवलप किया. But the movement in the cities gradually slowed down. Why? First reason, khadi cloth was more expensive than mass-produced meal cloth, and poor people could not afford to buy it. Therefore, they could not boycott meal cloth for a long time. The boycott of British institutions posed a problem as alternative Indian institutions had to be set up so that they could be used in place of British ones. लोगों ने ब्रिटिश इंस्टीट्यूशन को बायकॉट तो किया, लेकिन उनके जगह पर इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूशंस सेटअप नहीं किए गए. जितने नंबर ऑफ इंडियन इंस्टीट्यूशन खुलने चाहिए थे उतने नहीं खुले. इसलिए कब तक लोग ब्रिटिश इंस्टीट्यूशन को बायकॉट कर सकते थे? Students and teachers began trickling back to government schools and lawyers joined back work in government courts. I am giving you some questions that you have to solve. First, how had non-cooperation movement spread in cities? Explain. Second, what were the effects of non-cooperation movement on the economic front? Third, what were the reasons for the gradual slowing down of the non-cooperation movement in the cities? Have a nice day.